Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The title of today's series is Brain versus Mind, the journey to true inner strength and faith. For clarity purpose, this is divided into three parts, namely, first part is beyond survival or understanding true strength. Second is when the mind awakens from confusion to clarity. Third one is Qalb Salim, the heart that finds peace with Allah. Now we start deliberating on beyond survival, understanding true strength. Ask a simple but powerful question. What is the true source of inner strength? Pause for a moment and think. We live in a world that celebrates intelligence, quick thinking, smart decisions, problem solving, and indeed Allah has blessed us with something incredible, the brain. It helps us think, react, and survive. It protects us from danger. It guides our daily decisions. Through it, we navigate life. But here is a deeper reality. Life is not just about survival. Look around. There are people who are intelligent, capable, even highly successful. Yet inside, they feel restless, anxious, and empty. So the question arises, if the brain is so powerful, why is the heart still unsettled? Because the brain alone cannot give peace. True peace does not come from thinking more. It comes from connecting more. Allah reminds us in the Quran, Surah At-Talaq, verse 3, and whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. This changes everything. It tells us that true strength does not begin within ourselves alone. It begins with our connection to our Creator. So real strength is not just about thinking more, it is about thinking rightly. And that is where something beautiful happens. Brain becomes guided, mind becomes awakened, and faith begins to lead. Allah calls us to go deeper. He asks in Surah Muhammad, verse 24, do they not reflect upon the Quran? Are there locks upon their hearts? This is not just a question, it is an invitation to move beyond surface thinking, beyond autopilot living, beyond reacting without reflection. It is a call to awaken. Because real strength begins at a powerful turning point when the mind stops avoiding the truth and starts seeking it, when thoughts are no longer driven by fear, ego, or distraction, but guided by clarity, sincerity, and faith. So now we arrive at an important question. If the brain helps us survive, what helps us truly live? That is the journey. We continue in the next part of the series, when the mind begins to awaken to Allah. Jazakumullah khair.